Okay, for the Goan fish cutlet sauce, I've got some yogurt, a half a lemon that has been peeled. I've got some green pepper. I've got some shallots. I've got some coriander stalks. These are important to get in there. And I've got some just roughly chopped coriander as well. I'm also going to add in some ground almonds and some sugar. So it's about 3 big tablespoons of almonds and about 1.5 tablespoons of sugar in there. And now I'm going to blitz that and I'll give it a quick test and then we might mix the ingredients about. That's it all blitzed together and that proportions worked out just perfectly. What I've got is a couple of pieces of cod. These ones happen to be frozen cod, so I'm going to cook them first. If it was fresh cod or defrosted cod, I would just put the sauce on and cook it just now. So I'm going to cook these first. What I've done is I've just put some salt and pepper on the top, a little bit of oil and some turmeric, and I've just given it a wee rub on the top. And I'm going to put that in the oven, cook that until it's kind of semi-cooked, and then I'm going to put the Goan fish cutlet sauce on the top. So the cod's come out of the oven, it's mostly cooked all the way through, it's completely defrosted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sauce on top. A bunch of water came out of the cod just now, so that actually worked out really well, so I've just drained that away. So the cod's covered in sauce, I'm going to pop that back in the oven for about 10 minutes. That's the Goan fish cutlet taken out of the oven, that's it cooked, and we're going to plate that up now.